What up, y'all? So today we're making stuff louder, but it's not on the vet. My boy JG coming through with the Challenger. Y'all have seen it in a couple of videos, but it's the dark gray one. I don't know the name of the color, but we are putting headers on the Challenger today, so this should be interesting. So stick around. All right, so we got the first half off. It's two 16mm bolts here. We just unhooked this, so we got still gotta get this O2 sensor out, but I don't have an O2 sensor ratchet or whatever, so we gotta get that later. But I think this was a 15mm bolt here. So, we're getting this side down.
See what they say that steering column, that steering shit,
Hard to reach
that bolt for the other one.
Might be too long. There's the other one.
This is just a preview of what we finna be dealing with.
Got a little ahead of myself. These wasn't that bad though, since these didn't have no WD-40 on them.
Trying to get at least a little video on it.
First start, long tube headers and nothing else. Straight headers for now. On the way to get the X pipe put on. Alright, what up, y'all? So before I get on this little project, just got some headlights I'm putting in there. But anyway, let me get back to this this Challenger, these headers that we put in that we didn't record the rest of the install. So basically, it's a lot of work. To help you out, if you plan on doing them, you need to remove the steering shaft. Got to get that out the way. You can get through some of it without it, but it's a whole lot easier if you just go ahead and take it out the way. Don't take any time. It's 2 bolts. I think it's a 10mm at the top and like a 13, I think, at the bottom. Get rid of that. That'll save you a lot of headaches in reaching stuff. Next up, it's let me see if I got one. Because we didn't even put this back on. But these heat shields over the motor mounts, get those out the way. It's 2 bolts on there. There's a bolt towards the back of the engine on the engine mount. The one closer towards the back. It's like this long. It's bolted to the engine mount, and then it's a heat shield that goes on top of it, and then you bolt that down. What you need to do on both sides, get that bolt out, and I'll put like a picture, a diagram or whatever on here, but cut the threads off the top of that bolt. Like, you'll still be able to bolt the engine mount down, that'll be good, but the part where the heat shield bolts down on the bolt towards the back of the engine mount, cut off that whole top section. That'll give you the room to slide your new headers in, because what our problem was we got the old ones out with roughly no problem as far as like getting it to wiggle out. Putting the new ones in passenger side, we kept getting hung up and we couldn't figure out why. And it was because it was bumping up against that bolt. And as soon as we took that bolt out, cut the top half off, went on perfect, no problem, like super easy. So definitely get rid of the top of that bolt. Like I ended up, I just turned this on and kind of just grinded it down because I didn't want to use the cutter or whatever, and I didn't have everything to hold that bolt in place and try to use that. So I was like, I can just do this instead. So I just kind of grinded it down, but that'll make fitting the new header in a whole lot easier. Also, let's see, I got them in here. If you don't have them, get you some of these ratcheting wrenches. It'll save your life on that job, because those header bolts, the 10mm header bolts, are super hard to reach. And if you don't have a super small socket with some good, like the little flex extensions or whatever, it's gonna be hard to reach them. But those little ratcheted wrenches help out a whole lot. So, what was our other issue? I think that was really it. Like, everything has to be done from the bottom just about. I think you can reach 2 or 3 bolts on the headers from the top, but it's still pretty tough. So the majority of everything you do is from the bottom. So just get you some of those ratcheting wrenches, cut that motor mount bolt in half, and get rid of that steering shaft, and that should cut out the majority of your problems. And yeah, then you'll be good. Alright, so just in case y'all watched to the end of the video and you was curious about the truck from the beginning of the video, here we go. So yeah, new headlights put on. This is more back to the normal of what I do, just in case, you just now started watching one of the videos. So yeah, I do lights and whatnot. So yeah, those are in and waiting to get picked up. Truck looked pretty good though. But yeah, so just in case you knew and the header thing is the first video you saw, check out some of the other ones too. Got a lot more going on. Oh, and this thing over here. So yeah, check out some more videos while you're here.